Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been AKA Day Trading Addict, and I have another great video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about the best US30 strategy for trading the news, okay? Trust me, you're going to love this, so make sure you watch this video. Shout out to everybody that's watching this video right now. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders get to the next level because I've been trading the markets for 13 years and I know how hard it is, right, to look at these charts and try to figure out what to do next. So I'm the guy that will help you and help your trading career go to the next level. So hit that subscribe button and hit those like buttons, guys. Shout out to all my addicts out there, because you know I'm not the only one that's addicted to these markets. So let's get it, guys. So let's go to how to trade the news, okay? Now, guys, you have to understand, okay, before we really get into the content, you have to understand smart money doesn't want you to win, because in order for them to get paid to make money, okay, someone has to lose. You have to lose. So they don't want things to be easy for you, right? So when it comes to the news, it's the same thing. When news come out to the public, they don't want millions of people to take that information and make easy money from that information. They don't want that. So what they like to do is give you news, make you think one way, but these guys are actually trying to do the opposite. So let's talk about the two main news you have to look out for when trading the US30. So let's talk about the two: non-farm payrolls and Fomc meetings. Okay, those are the two main news you have to watch for, guys, when you are trading when you're trading the US30. Okay, non-farm usually come every month. It's usually the first Friday every month. Okay, so it's usually first Friday, 8:30 a.m. Okay, you will see the non-farm payrolls come out. Now Fomc, that usually comes out every month, and it usually comes out around 2 p.m. Eastern time, and it's usually sometimes not the same date. Okay, so you have to basically go on your calendar and check for when that's coming out, but it's usually maybe the middle of the month. Okay, so those are the two main news you're gonna watch out for, because when they come out, you will see the market move, okay, a lot. So let's go to the strategy that you are going to use when trading the news. Okay, so we're gonna go over the strategy, guys, but again, I want you guys to understand you really have to think like smart money. The reason why a lot of retail traders lose is because they don't think like the rich. Okay, you have to start thinking like smart money. So smart money understands that if the news comes out, right, and you think news is bullish and the market starts to go up, you're gonna start to buy. And they understand that. So they are looking to trap you. When we trade the news, okay, we want to follow smart money, and also we want to think like smart money. So we don't want to jump on the boat, and we don't want to basically go with the herd, okay? We want to fade the retail traders. So the strategy is about fading the news, because we want to do the opposite of what most people are doing, and we're looking for a pump and dump situation on a chart. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, guys, so this is a perfect example. Okay, right here we have the Fomc meeting coming out around 2 o'clock, which is right here. Okay, now I want you to understand, remember, we're looking to fade the news, and not only fade the news, we're looking to basically look for some type of pump and dump. Okay, a lot of times we will get a pump before the news. So if you notice how we have a pump right here, this is 9:30. Okay, nice pump. Now, after this pump, notice that, hardly made any highs, new highs. And the market was drifting, okay? And you could tell the market was waiting for news, because as soon as news come out, that's when the market, started to move. So the news come out right here. This is news right here, okay? Now, I want you to understand that as soon as news come out, we have a bullish bar to fake some traders, okay? And then we have the market slamming down right here. Guess what? Where do you think the first level these guys are going to go to? Of course, it's this level, okay? Why? Because the market opened right here. So we have the pump, okay, before the news, and then we have the dump after the news, okay? Now, how are we going to trade this? The way I would trade this, okay, and in this video, we're not really going to talk about entries and exits because I have a whole bunch of videos talking about that. So go watch my videos and, you can get ideas of entries and exits, okay? But we're going to definitely go over some different ways to, play these markets. So guys, you have to understand when most people hear about trading the news, right? A lot of people get nervous. Oh my gosh, trading the news. Oh, no, that's risky. No, we are not trading as soon as news comes out. Okay, that's the worst thing to do. You don't want to do that. Okay, so when I say trading the news, we're not trading the same time when the news comes out. We're gonna wait. Okay, 15, 20 minutes after the news. Okay, now we have a nice pump to the downside. It wiped out this whole move right here. Okay. What I want to do is wait for price to do something. So what I see is price. Let me erase this right here. What I see is price coming back to this level right here. Now, if you know me by now, you know that I use supply and demand. If you don't know what supply and demand, please go to my videos and watch my videos. Okay. So we have a lovely supply right here. Okay. And price went to the supply zone. Okay. Gave you this nice breakout to the downside. Now, I'm going to show you guys the continuation. Now, this is the same chart right here, guys. Okay, price went to the supply zone right here. Okay. And a lot of times when it comes to news, you will get these crazy risk to reward ratios. Okay. So if I'm trading the news and I, get a decent trade, I'm not just going for a quick 1-to-1, 2-to-1. No, I'm trying to hold this baby all the way down. Okay, you notice how we have a nice risk to reward ratio, and this is how you can actually take advantage of the news and make a lot of money. I don't really trade the news a lot, but if I see a decent setup, I would trade the news. Definitely, I will. Yes, because you can make a lot of profits. Okay, trading the news if you understand the news. Okay, this is why I'm making this video to help you guys out. So we have price going down right here. Nice supply zone. Nice breakout to the downside. I'm looking for a nice risk to reward. Okay. So let me show you guys another example. All right. So remember, guys, we talked about a pump and a dump. Okay. Now this is the opposite, dump and pump. Okay. It's the same concept, but this time it went down first. Okay. So we are expecting news at 8:30. This is a non-farm payroll right here. And we have 8:30 news around here. Okay, so this is news right here, 8:30. And if you look at price before the news, guess what? Dump. Okay. Now, news comes out. It tried to go down to fake people out. Okay, but eventually we had this nice breakout right here to the upside. Now, how do you want to play this move? Well, you can probably play this breakout right here. Okay, if you want to. Okay. And my target, believe it or not, would be right here, because these traders right here are about to get squeezed because whoever went short right here, these guys are trapped already. So they want to squeeze all the shorts. So I'm looking at this big drop right here. So let me show you guys what happened next. Okay, this is the same chart right here. Okay, we had that nice breakout, all right here. And price, guess what? Went right back to that area where I talked about, okay? Right back to that area, guys. So if I took this breakout, I'd be holding all the way back to up there, okay? Let's say you didn't take this breakout, okay? You definitely could got in on a pullback, okay? If it came back, even if it stopped you out right here, you get back in, looking for a nice risk to reward. Okay, so that's that example. Let me show you guys another example. Okay, so this is non-farm again. 8:30, we had a nice push. Now I want you guys to see what happened before the news. Okay, we had a nice pump, right? We had a nice pump, guys. Remember, they want to trick you. Okay, so we had a nice pump. We had a pullback. It faked some people to the downside and shot up. Now it's looking very, very bullish. Okay, now we should know, guys, this is not bullish at all because the whole move, okay, was a pump in the beginning. So we're looking to fade this. We're saying to ourselves, this doesn't look bullish at all. Okay, I'm gonna tell you one reason why it doesn't look bullish. Number one, we have, okay, head and shoulders right here. Okay. Also, we're looking to fade the news because we had a pump before the news. And third, we have a nice supply zone right here, guys, right? So everything is lining up. Everything is lining up. So what we see, actually, let me erase some of this stuff, okay? What I see is the market hit the supply zone right here, right? And then I see price reacting to this supply zone, you know, consolidating a little bit, breakout. You can take this breakout right here, came back to you. If you didn't get into that breakout, came back and pulled back, nice bearish bar, you can get in. Okay, so let me show you guys the continuation. Okay, so this is the same chart right here, guys, right? Head and shoulders right here, right? Plus supply, came back, you went short either right here or right here, and look at the risk reward, guys. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to trading the news. Most people want to hear about trading the news. Oh my gosh, the news? Oh my gosh, you talking about the news? I can't do that. No, guys, we're not talking about that. We are not talking about trading as soon as news comes out. Okay, we want to see what price does after the news. Okay, and it will definitely give us a lot of clues where it wants to go. Okay, so let me show you guys another example. Okay, so right here, guys, we have FOMC meeting. Okay, around 2 p.m. Eastern time. I want you guys to see what do we have. Okay, before the news, we have a pump, right? So the market is going up. Retail traders are saying, man, the market, looks bullish. As soon as news comes out, the market is going up. Okay, so a lot of retail traders are getting long right here. Why not, right? It looks good, right? The trend is your friend, right? Of course, right? But we all know that when it comes to news, guys, we can't think like that. We have to fade the news. So this is a nice example of fading the news. So how would you get in this one? Well, you could be very, very aggressive to the point where you see this nice bearish bar right here. Okay, we have a nice crack to the downside and you get in. Okay, maybe you didn't get in at the top. Maybe you say, you know what, I'm gonna short this right here. Whatever the case is, okay, make sure you have a strategy to trade the news. Look at this risk to reward to the downside. Okay, let's say even if you didn't take none of this right here, let's say you didn't take none of this right here. Well, we have a nice pullback right here, nice pin bar, caught that, and you still have a nice risk to reward right here. Okay, so you have multiple opportunities to get in. Okay, the sooner the better. You would definitely have some great risk to reward ratios, guys. Make sure you back test this. Make sure you forward test this on demo first, please. Do not go out here and say, oh man, I'm gonna go live account and plus news doesn't come out every single day. So this is like once a month type of thing. And plus you have to get used to it. So make sure that you practice on demo first. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you definitely got some value out of this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, go check out my free Telegram group, okay? And also, if you want a person like me that have 13 years of experience to train you, okay, I have training videos, and I also have a private community. I will help you get to the next level, okay? I don't want you to go through what I went through when I first started out trading, okay? Trust me, it took me a long time. It took me 8 years, guys. I don't want you to go through that. So I want you guys to get all of my secrets. So go to the link below, check that out. And also I have an October sale going on, starting today all the way to October 31st, okay, since Halloween is coming. I'm having a sale for my trading program, so check that out. I'm going to be running this starting today all the way to October 31st. So make sure you take advantage of that. Because I know some of you guys, you worry about, your next paycheck, right? Oh man, I can't wait to get my next paycheck. Guys, right now I'm blessed, okay? Thank God. I give, all credit to God for blessing me. I don't have to work a 9 to 5, okay? I don't have to worry about my next paycheck. If you follow me, you see my trades. I'm doing this daily, Monday to Friday, okay? Full time. So come join me and I'll take care of you, right? Smash those like buttons, comment below, share this video, watch more of my videos, guys, and please, guys, have a great day.